Hey, Hank.
I was just gonna say something.
Hi, Hank. Hank the Tank. Hi, Hank the Tank. Yeah, you're a good boy, huh, Hank? You love having your head scrubbed. You're a good boy. You're a good boy, Hank. You're a good boy, Hank. You coming up? Coming up? How about Molly and Tilly? Hi, Molly and Tilly. Molly and Tilly. Molly and Tilly.
She has like 8 chickens. She has 8 kittens. You snuff like...
I'm recording. Don't be talking about snuffing kittens. Don't be talking about sex toys either.
Nick's being evil.
This is so your mom can show this to Taylor.
I was gonna say the salt lick on the wall.
Yeah.
Once he starts licking it down, it's gonna look like some kind of weird fucking sex toy.
Well, he might like it.
Can it fit in his mouth?
Not yet. Oh, you coming back for more scratches, Hank? Oh, you love your scratches, eh, Hank? And there's Star. Don't mind the tools and shit, just because we were putting lights and stuff. Oh, hi, Hank. You coming up to see us?
Kimber's there and Quilla's there.
And Quilla. Kimber. Quilla. You already saw. There goes Starbuck. There's one of the barn cats.
Who stepped on you? She stepped on you or she?
There's a chicken. There's a chicken.
She stepped on you? You think she's gonna step on you?
Oh, and that's the that one there identifies as a duck because it hides out with the other 2 ducks. It was an injured chick that they fixed its leg. They released it to the wild, and then like the next afternoon, it was back here with the ducks again. So now it identifies as a duck. But it's open. It's free to go. It can go whenever it wants.
They're afraid of you. Just walk over and say,
Oh, he wasn't stepped on by the horse. He thought the horse would step on him. He's afraid the horse would step on him.
And he's overtired.
Yeah, and he needs a nap.
come this way. Come this way.
This is Chicken Nugget Fry Guy. And that's Kimber. And that's Quilla. And that's Star. That's the 3 horses. And there's one of the barn kittens. There's another of the barn kittens. There's another chicken.
That's why we have hoses.
There goes one of the other cats.
Hose it off. Well, if you don't stop crying, I'm gonna have to hose you off.
Where's Rip? Oh, there's Rip. Shush. There's Rip. That's the rooster.
Oh, Quilla's got her face through the wall. Daddy, I want. No,
And there's more chickens.
Your pony Quilla?
There's like 11 hens, and then there's Rip.
Bring her some hay.
Rip the rooster.
She's looking at you through the window.
Oh, she needs hay, Noah. She's getting hungry.
You want to go see her, baby?
Oh, you guys are up now?
No, not in here.
Hi.
We can't spray it in here. Spray it in here. We can get.
Oh, pooping?